How y'all doing? Welcome back to Cooking with Jaryn. Today, we're making Lubia polo. We're gonna start with half an onion chopped up. Mommy chopped it up because apparently I can't use a knife 9 years later. We already have the oil in the pan. Now we're gonna put the onions in the pot and let them cook up. Now we're gonna mix the onions. Just a little bit. Now we're gonna let them sit and cook until they're somewhat transparent. Now we're gonna add 1.5 pounds of ground beef into the pot. Now, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Wait, we're not being sponsored. Now we're gonna add a can of green beans. Now that everything's cooked together, we're gonna set it aside and start on the rice. So we've already washed the rice. Now we're gonna put it in the pot and cook it about halfway. Now that the rice is halfway cooked, we're gonna strain it in cold water. Now we're gonna put a layer of rice on the bottom to create the tarik, and we're gonna start layering in the meat. Now I'm making holes in the rice to let steam out. Now we're gonna cover the pot with a towel and lid and let it steam cook. Yeah. I already know.
Now.
Alright, before I let y'all go, this here is moss. It's yogurt with dill and cucumber. And this, my friends, is how you make Lubia polo. That's good. Cooking with Kami. Cooking with Kami. Cooking with Kami.